What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Bright and early here in the suburbs of Chicago, Illinois. And I'm actually joined by a special guest today, joined by Fishing the Midwest, or John B, as you know him. He's actually up on the driveway right now. I'm gonna go up there, we're gonna drag his boat down here, we're gonna put it on this initial pond. If you guys are new here, we put the boat in originally on this pond right behind me, right here, and then there's a hole through the woods all the way back there, and there's a bigger lake behind it that is never fished, so it's a great lake. But we're gonna put John's boat in here, bring it to the edge, which is all the way back there, and then we're gonna drag the boat through there. It's on a bigger lake. And it's got some really nice fish in it, and I'm sure it hasn't been fished in a while because no one really fishes it but us. I'm gonna put my stuff down here, help John get his stuff, bring it down here, and we're gonna go out there and we're gonna slay some fish. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because we're gonna catch a lot of fish. So let's do it.
Whoa, look at that. Oh my god.
Nice.
Dude, as soon as it hit the water.
That's a good fish too.
It's a nice, bigger than the last one.
Let me land it or?
No,
all right.
Big bad, big bad. Dude, it's gonna be a good day fishing.
I hope so. We've been out for what? 15?
10, 15
10, 15? Here, I'll double up.
Looking good. Second fish of the day. 2 baits, 2 fish.
That's a good fish.
Maybe it's a nice word next, maybe. Try that out. Nice. How dirty that water is.
That's a good fish.
Hey, nice job. You're next.
We've caught crappie on chatterbaits out here. That's all like messed, you know, they don't see anything. Hold on.
Yeah.
There's one.
Oh, you're on. I felt a bite. Come on, get this one in the boat. This one's gotta come in.
I hope so, dude. Wouldn't be surprised if it just gets off right now.
Oh no, don't think it. I'm gonna get strikes when I come in. Oh, bad one. There you go.
Let's try to get him up here. Come on, Betsy. Don't do that. Oh, that's a nice fish.
That's a good one.
He soaked my entire, oh, in the corner of that mouth, dude.
If that fish is longer, it'd be a 3-pounder. Look how fat that
That is a fat fish.
Hey, nice job.
That's an awesome fish. Right on that black and blue chatterbait. He's got a little Hindu dot up there.
Black dot on his head.
Not bad. I got even more.
Got a fish on right now.
Nice.
Oh, good one. Look at him run.
I got one too.
Doubled up.
Oh, he's far away though.
Yours is a nice one.
Is it?
Yours just, yeah, that's a good one. Kate, I think we found a decent little pattern here.
Yes, sir.
They're definitely like.
Oh, he's snagged. He's snagged up.
Hung up.
He's hung up.
We'll go get him. Hold on.
Should I just reach down there and just grab the fish?
So just give him a little bit of slack maybe and see if he'll get off. Okay, now pull. There you go.
Not a bad fish, not a bad fish.
Very clutch. First double today.
Ooh.
Yeah, nice
Let's
job.
go, dude. That's a nice fish.
Yeah, that is a good one.
Choked that. Look at that.
Like all these fish, 15 inches, 15, 16
Oh
inches.
yeah, dude, this place is phenomenal. Another one, that black and blue chatterbait, right off this little lay down here and off the dock. Great fish. Oh, he's bleeding. Let's get it back. Dope. First double up.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Yeah.
First dock bite.
There's one. Oh. Yeah, in the trench hog.
Trench hog. Sheesh.
Oh, that's a bad foot.
I got one too.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Double on the trench hog.
You're double on the trench hog. Kate's throwing the Alabama crawl, I'm throwing the Okeechobee.
Oh, right on the top of the mouth?
Yeah, well, mine's
like
same spot as you. And they're about the same size.
Yeah.
Wow, they must be buddies.
Look at those fish.
There we go. Trenchy hanging out.
That's awesome,
That's
man.
solid. Yours came off the dock a bit.
Yeah, mine was a little farther out, but
oh my god.
That's a great fish.
It's heavy. Their bite is so hard here.
Yeah,
like
dude.
they are acting like some Florida largemouth.
See, I'm throwing what they got the Alabama crawl color. You got what, black and blue or?
Yeah, no, I've got the this is the Okeechobee crawl.
Okeechobee crawl.
Yeah, so it's like a watermelon or green pumpkin and blue flake. And you're
awesome.
A little bit brighter. Nice one. Hold that up.
That's
sick.
That's what's up. There she goes.
There goes this. There goes mine. Dude,
dope.
Nice.
That's what's up, man. There's one.
That one?
Yeah.
On the hog?
On the trench hog, yep. Is he running with me or I don't have him? I have them.
You have them. Might be a good one. Pulling dragnet. Oh, that's a nice one. Look how long that fish is. My lord, dude.
That is a good fish.
Yeah.
Alright, don't screw me here, buddy.
It's definitely the biggest one of the day. Longest one of the day.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah, dude. Look at that. It's absolutely choked that trench hog.
Let me get a picture of that one.
Ooh.
That is really...
That is a good fish, man. Absolutely choked it. Thank you. That's a good fish right on that trench hog. What color is that one again?
That's an Alabama craw.
Alabama craw. My best fish of the day. Probably, maybe our best fish of the day.
Entirely.
Yeah. Got a nice little release on this guy if she's tired. There she goes. No, this point's good. Oh, God.
Might be good.
Trench hog, baby.
Going out deep.
Feels all right.
Whenever they go off the bank, it's like, oh yeah. It's a pretty good one.
It's a good jump. That's awesome.
This thing's putting in work.
That is a nice fish. Too.
Yeah. You just know when they're just kind of moving off a little bit.
Right.
That's just big fish instinct.
All right, let's not screw this one up. Oh, you got one? Nice, double up.
Oh my god, look at that. The fish is running so hard with it. We just doubled, again, 2 doubles.
That's hot.
We're gonna get quadruple doubles today.
Yeah. All right, there she is, nice one. Might be my biggest, to be honest, not sure, but.
That one we caught back there was definitely.
You think so?
Yeah, oh yeah, that was a long fish. That was like 17 inches all day.
Yeah.
That's
still,
a good one though.
It's still a good fish, yeah.
Oh! Oh, that was sick.
I got one. Yep. Little guy. Yep. There you go. Nice little trench hog fish. Alright, little guy flipping this little tree right here on that trench hog. What color is this again? I keep forgetting.
Alabama craw.
Alabama craw. That thing's money. See you, buddy. As I just scared every single fish under that tree. That was a bad idea.
Worm with a big meaty EWG stick on, I believe. With that worm.
There he is.
There. You got one?
Yeah.
Old trenchy. Oh, what was that?
Wait, what? That was another fish. That was another fish.
Oh my god, dude. Look over here. Oh, he just ate it.
Did he?
He's got it right now.
Jack.
Oh, he came up. Holy smokes, I'm freaking out.
That was weird, man.
That was so weird. Came with another trench hog pass.
Comes right off. Perfect.
He's gonna run out all the baits.
Just a little guy. Flipping this little tree right here. A little branch comes out. Dude, that was wild.
That was so crazy. I don't know.
That bass blew up on nothing. Just.
Yeah. And he ate my worm right afterwards, like instantly.
Damn. Oh, right when it hit the water. Oh. I think he took it again. Got him.
Back on.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Little guy. Just flipping that tree right there. Nice. Oh, yes. All right, little guy flipping this stump right here. Moved back kind of into this, like, what would you call this right here? Like a
Little creek arm on the cut.
yeah, little cut, little creek, and we're just flipping these trees and stuff in the shade. It's probably one of my smallest of the day, but still, they're back here, and we're gonna keep slaying. I'm digging this spot. Looks good.
Like, not the good.
Yeah. Nice. Let's drop my rod.
Good, huh?
Yeah, not too bad. Decent guy. Not bad. All right, not bad. That trench hog fish. Just flipping that little dock right there, and little largemouth just came out of nowhere. Beauty. See you, buddy. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Oh, that's a good one, dude. That is a good one.
Wow. Right on that log. You know that other one might be more.
I think we're on one. I think we're on the log right now.
Yeah, we're actually on one.
That's a good fish.
Patty. Some couple.
it is. Let's go, baby. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, double. Nice. Oh yeah. Double up. Look at
Yeah,
that.
buddy. Here, let's give a little tail high five. Ready?
Yeah.
Mike. Oh God, my hook just fell out. Nice one. About the same size. They could be twins if they wanted to.
Yeah. Nice.
Ooh.
And now I have to go on this stupid program. I gotta study a minimum of there's one. Hold on.
Oh, I
Got
saw that. Is he on?
Yeah, he's on.
Dude, that laid on shock.
Enough about college math. Not even placing into it. That's a good fish. All right, switch to the Bama bug because I ran out of the other color, Alabama craw, and still slaying, so that's awesome. Got 2 off this late on so far, and we're just moving along the shoreline. That dock's probably gonna be pretty good.
Oh my God.
What?
Did you see that?
No.
The fish just destroyed on the surface.
Really?
Oh, he's got it.
Nice.
Oh my God, dude, that's a good one. Like a really nice one. Oh my God. I wish you would have seen that cast up there. He ate it on top.
Dude, that is a tank.
That's one of my bigger ones, yeah.
That is a good fish.
I pooped myself on that one.
Oh, we just took it right to the surface. Watch this.
Yeah, look.
Jackal.
Oh my God. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I saw him come up and take it.
It's a really nice one.
That's a good one.
Big guy.
He's got some black spots on him too.
That was cool. Oh,
You got one too?
I got one on the frog. Yep, on the frog.
Look at all the spots on this one. This one's got black marks everywhere. Oh, that's a good fish too, dude. Oh my
We might
God.
have found some good ones, right?
On the trench hog.
It's like our 80th double today.
Jesus.
No big deal, right? Just cranking them.
Look at those black dots, man. That's awesome.
Boom.
Nice. That was awesome. He's not happy. Bro, he's coming back. He's coming pretty fast, dude. Bro, he's coming. Get out of here. Bro, he's coming. Bro, he's coming. Oh my God.
That was about to be ugly.
He was making his own wake. He was getting us, dude. Oh.
What's that? Your swan was chasing me.
Yeah, we're sorry about that.
We were not. Yeah, we were literally not after your swan. Okay, he was coming after the boat, so I was leaving.
Oh, I just got hit. Hold on. I'll come back for it. Come on. Oh, there it is again. Go.
Pull that line screen.
Take a fish. Right by the boat drop.
Oh, it's a good one, buddy. That's a lot bigger than I thought.
I'm not. Yeah. It'd be a nice fish to end the day on.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. There he is.
That is a nice fish.
That's a good fish, dude.
Just like,
That's gonna be my. I'm gonna end off on that cast. I'm not casting again.
yeah.
It's a good last
That's
fish.
the note you want to end on.
On the trench hog. Get a nice simple release in this guy. There she goes. Whew. Good last cast.
Dude. Oh yeah. It's this part. It's gonna be a challenge. We might both have to get it back.
Okay.
You know?
That might work. Oh my God.
All right.
That was the hardest thing
Time
I've
out,
ever
coach. Time out.
That was the hardest thing I've ever done.
Probably should have taken the battery out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we always do.
We made it. Now we just have to go that way and then.
Smaller hill.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it today. Huge shout out for John for coming out. Thanks.
Hey, thank you, man. That was amazing.
Yeah, we caught like, I don't know, 30 fish, at least over.
We smoked them.
Yeah. Now you were not gonna see every fish in the video, but we caught so many fish, just flipping all the Googan baits and stuff, and we were just slaying them. I was slaying on the trench hog. John was catching them every single Googan bait, known to man. We had a great day out here. We thought it was supposed to storm, so that was actually awesome that it didn't.
Yeah, wow, it didn't even come close to storming.
I know,
Whatever the opposite of a storm is, that's what we had today.
Exactly. Tell you what, that's a hell of a workout getting up that hill. I never want to do it again. I'll see you guys back at the car. We're just bringing the boat back across this pond. Gotta load it up on John's car, and then we're out of here. see you guys back in the car. After that treacherous journey, me and John headed back up. Beach props.
We did that, dude. That was hell.
That was awful, but slayed the fish in the 30s and the 40s, and couldn't ask for a better day. Nothing beats going out there. Like, John hasn't been here in 6 years, so it was always cool to get him back out there. I haven't been here in like a season, like maybe a month or two. But I had a great day fishing. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, right now?
Yeah, do it right now.
Hey, and as always, guys, keep fishing.